Hello, how's it going? Look, today we're going to make ground beef. Well, I'm using beef. You could use pork or chicken if you want. And cabbage, garlic, ginger, some other lovely kind of Asian spices in there. It's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we've got some ground beef there. There's 500 grams there, which is about a pound. I'm using beef. You can do this with chicken or with ground pork. 2 cups of green onions, 1 cup of regular onions, a tablespoon, or just over actually, of ginger garlic paste. If you don't have that, you can just chop some ginger and garlic. And white cabbage, there's about 5 or 6 cups there. There's a few other bits going into this, but let's get moving with this. So in my wok type skillet, I've got a little bit of oil. I'm using the sunflower oil. We're gonna drop in our ground meat of choice, and we're gonna go on a medium heat for 5 minutes. Just getting it cooked away. Okay, so we've cooked out the ground meat. We're now going to add in that 1 cup of onion, the tablespoon or slightly over of ginger garlic paste. I'm going to season this with salt and pepper. And we're going to go for about another 4 to 5 minutes, stirring often. Fabulous. Okay. Time for our cabbage, in that goes. Optional, little bit of fresh chili and a little bit of fish sauce, like a teaspoon only. Very, very salty. 5 more minutes, stir, stir, stir. Beautiful stuff. Absolutely wonderful. Okay, off goes the heat. Let's get those green onions in there, scallions or spring onions, whatever you call them. They're fairly chunky cut. We're going to give them a little mix and we can serve. Absolutely delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.